Hey there! Have you ever walked up to an airport check-in counter and felt that little bit of panic about what to say in English? Well, you are in exactly the right place. Today, we're going to make that whole experience super easy so you can check in for your next flight feeling totally confident. Let's jump right in.
Yeah, this feeling, we've all been there. It can be pretty stressful, right? But I promise you, it really doesn't have to be. By the end of this, you're going to have the exact words you need to make the whole conversation go perfectly smoothly.
So first things first, let's just walk through a totally standard check-in conversation, step by step. You'll see just how simple it really is when you break it down. And here it is, your perfect opening line. This is all you need to say. It's polite, it's clear, and it tells them exactly what you need. Just swap out London for wherever you're heading. Easy. Okay. Get ready, because this is almost always the very first thing they'll ask for. It's totally predictable. So just make sure you have your passport and ticket handy, and you're already one step ahead. And when you hand those documents over, this is it. This is the phrase. Here you go. It's simple, it's natural, and it works every single time. No need to say anything more complicated. All right, once they've got your documents, the conversation always shifts to one thing: your luggage. They just need to know if you have any bigger bags that need to go into the cargo hold of the plane. So if you've got a bag you need to check, the answer is this straightforward. Just tell them yes and how many bags you have. If you have 2, you just say, yes, I have 2 suitcases. Simple as that. Now, this is the part you really want to pay attention to. The staff is going to give you the 2 most important pieces of information for your trip: the departure time and your gate number. The gate number is where you actually go to get on the plane, so you definitely want to catch that. And just like that, you're done. A nice, friendly thank you very much is the perfect way to wrap things up. You know, a quick smile and a thank you really go a long way. You've just successfully checked in for your flight. Great job. Okay, so now that we've seen how the whole conversation flows, let's zoom in on a few of those key phrases. Think of this as your personal traveler's toolkit. You know, while I'd like to check in sounds really polite, please don't stress about getting it perfect. Honestly, saying something simpler like, I want to check in, or even just, can I check in please, works just as well. They'll understand you perfectly. The most important thing is just to be clear. All right, let's talk about that luggage question one more time, because it's a big one. The staff is going to ask, do you have any bags to check? So let's look at your 2 possible answers. So it really comes down to one of 2 things, right? If you're checking a big bag, you'll say, yes, I have 1 suitcase. But what if you're traveling light with just a backpack or a small bag? Then your phrase is, no, I only have carry-on luggage. Knowing which one to use makes things so much easier. Okay, time for a super quick vocabulary session. We're just going to cover a few key words. Trust me, if you know these nouns, you'll feel way more comfortable because you'll understand exactly what's going on. Let's do a lightning round. Passport, that's your official ID book. Ticket, your document to get on the plane. Luggage, we're talking about the big bags you check in. Carry-on, that's the small bag you take with you on the plane. Gate, super important, that's the door where you board the plane. And flight, that's your actual journey in the air. See, you know all these. And there you have it. You've got the whole conversation, you've got the key phrases, and you know the essential vocabulary. The only thing left to do now is just put it all together and start feeling really confident about it. So let's just quickly recap. You now know exactly how to start the conversation, how to answer the questions about your passport and your bags, and you understand all those key words like gate and carry-on. You are officially ready for this. So I'll leave you with this one final thought. I want you to imagine you're at the airport right now. You're walking up to that check-in counter. What's that perfect, polite opening line you're going to use? Think about it. Maybe even say it out loud. You've got this. Happy travels.